Big dogs have a special place in our hearts, and for a good reason. They are beautiful, majestic, devoted, and loyal. With them, you can feel safe and secure. Because even with just one glance of their appearance can instill fear in any intruder's heart. They can weigh more than an average man, so meaning that they could overpower an intruder if it came to it. So anyone in their right mind will definitely avoid crossing them. German dog. The pictures of the dog were discovered during an excavation. They date to 3000 BC. Also, the depiction of these dogs occurs in ancient Babylonian temples at the time of their appearance, the period of origin which exceeds 2000 years BC. In addition, there are written claims that the long ones were also held in ancient Tibet. These documents are dated in 1121st year BC. The German dog is one of the most popular breeds. Some call it the giant of dogs, due to its really impressive dog size which leaves everyone impressed. 70 to 80 centimeters and weighs about 70 kilograms. But despite the size, this dog is gentle and tender-loving animal. Affectionate towards its family and ready to protect them at any moment. Dogs of this breed are always eager to please their masters and the rest of the family. The German dog feels great when it's caressed and is always ready to jump on the couch and cuddle with its owner. English Mastiff. The ancient English breed of dogs, which has the status of largest breed of dogs in the world. It is distinguished by relief musculature of straight and strong paws and gives the impression of a real athlete. These dogs grow up to 90 centimeters and weigh from 80 to 90 kilograms. This is a strong dog. The ideal companion for a balanced person leading a measured lifestyle, confident and calm. He almost never succumbs to panic of little kids that might be around. Does not rush to anyone who wants to pet him, but leaving it alone with young children is still not recommended because of their large weight, growth, and hair. It can be dangerous for babies. Mastiffs and aristocrats known for their power of courage, poise, and peace. They do a great job as a guard dog compared to Newfoundlanders. Newfoundland. Newfoundland is a popular giant breed of dog with thick wool and dark colors. Unlike other dogs, he has absolutely no fear of transportation, plus this majestic beast swims beautifully. He is down to earth and thanks to a calm temper, he can look after children. The breed originates in one of the provinces of Canada. The average height of a Newfoundland is 70 centimeters and can weigh 68 kilograms. The record holder weighed 126 kilograms and the height of the rack on the hind legs was 198 centimeters. They are known for their immense size and their extremely affectionate character. They are highly intelligent and have the ability to make their own decisions. Neapolitan Mastiff. The Naples Mastiff refers to a dog with an ancient history of the dog's origin in size and appearance with a less modern Mastiff, which have been depicted in various Indian and Persian artworks. Huge dogs were present in the descriptions of Lucretia in the 1st century BC. The ancestors of the breed are considered Roman Mastinos, who accompanied legionnaires and participated in battles in the arena of ancient Rome. Their rivals in the arena were the jaguar, bears, and bulls. Despite such an ancient history and its professional breeding, they began to be engaged rather late in 1947. Cynologists collected the best breeds which became the ancestors of modern Mastiffs. The Mastiff is 75 centimeters tall and weighs between 50 and 70 kilograms. However, it is not limited to the animal to love children when he is taken care of. He should not be with kids because of his sluggishness and clumsiness, which is quite inevitable, even though he might not want to harm the child. Saint Bernard. Saint Bernard is a giant dog with a good heart and an infinite love for the family and the willingness to stand up for his master's protection, and a somewhat stubborn character. These are very strong and large dogs, which are 70 to 90 centimeters high. According to the breed standards, Saint Bernard's weight should be greater than 80 kilograms, and dogs are more likely to be larger than 80 kilograms. Most often, dogs are more than 80 centimeters tall and weigh more than 100 kilograms. The Saint Bernard is probably the most famous dog and helps rescue people in the Swiss Alps. Saint Bernard was given the responsibility of saving thousands of people caught in an avalanche. These dogs are perfectly capable of performing difficult tasks, such as finding people under dense snow cover. When Saint Bernard finds a man, he warms him up with his warmth until rescuers arrive. Saint Bernard love the snowy weather. They will gladly run in the snow and sledge with their children. Irish Wolfhound. The Irish Wolfhound is an ancient hunting dog breed, the first mention of which dates back to the year 390 AD. The main purpose of this breed was hunting for sheep, wolves, wild boars, and deer. They also served as a shepherd dog, protecting the Irish farmland herd. Wolfhounds are considered one of the largest breeds in the world, the tallest and largest amongst the greyhounds. The dogs are highly intelligent and can recognize unfamiliar people or their master, so it is not necessary to think that the Irish Wolfhounds are incapable of resisting an enemy's persuasion. Irish Wolfhounds are about 85 centimeters but often exceed these parameters. They weigh at least 55 kilograms. Danish Dog. A Danish dog is a giant-sized dog. When hunting took place, each county contained a large number of hounds of Danish dogs. And despite its impressive height, that is 80 centimeters, the weight of this dog on average reaches 100 kilograms. Originally, the ancestors of the dog were the watchmen, and the gentle ones lived in ancient Rome and Greece. They were very angry and trained against forest predators, like wolves and jackals. Due to careful selection, the dog breed was brought out with a calm temper. Tosa Inu. Tosa Inu, or breed Tosa, has been bred in Japan for hundreds of years. Japan has a long history of dog fighting from the 14th century onwards. The breed was developed between 1868 and 1912. With hip breeders and as a mixture of fighting breed and Shikoku with Western breeds such as Mastiff, German Dog, and Bulldog. Saint Bernard and Bull Terrier grow up to 65 centimeters and weigh over 50 kilograms. Tosa is often called the sumo wrestler in the dog world in Japan. Tosa is considered a national treasure. The Tosa is a Kai breed even at home and was only recently bred in the United States. Unfortunately, Tosa Inu is prohibited in some countries as a dangerous breed of dog. External forces lead a formidable one, but in life it is a calm and reliable dog. It surprisingly combines contradictory character traits of self-confidence, power, fearlessness, dedication, and care. The Tosa Inu breed is wary of strangers and aggressive to other dogs. Bernese Mountain Dog, Bernese Sennenhund. The Bernese Sennenhund is an extremely versatile dog that came to us from the Swiss Alps. It was bred specifically for grazing, dragging carts, as well as to perform the function of a watchdog, guarding the farm and, of course, to be a faithful companion to its owner. Weight of the Bernese Sennenhund is 50 kilograms and grows up to 70 centimeters. Despite its beautiful temperament and beauty, the Bernese Sennenhund today are threatened with extinction. Anatolian Shepherd Dog. The Anatolian Shepherd Dog is considered one of the oldest breeds that live in Minor Asia. This shepherd dog is a national treasure of Turkey on the same row as shepherd service dogs. It has many distinctive characteristics of an enduring mind and superb autonomy, which allows the dog to survive on his own without the help of a human being because it is able to independently find food on its own, and it adapts to new conditions quickly. An ideal habitat for this animal would not be heavy labor and extensive physical activity. They simply enjoy watching and protecting a flock of sheep, guarding the house of its master, or simply playing with children. It can reach heights of up to 81 centimeters and weight fluctuates in the range of 50 to 65 kilograms. Bully Kuta. Bully Kuta is a devoted and very powerful dog as it weighs more than 77 kilograms at 90 centimeters. It needs a strong hand and proper education. When it's just a puppy, the owner of the dog must show him that he is the leader of the flock. Representatives of this breed usually strive to dominate, which coupled with their physical strength can even be more dangerous. Experts strongly recommend when training Bully Kuta to use the help of a professional cynologist. Interaction with children should always be under the supervision of adults. If the family plans to have a baby where there is a Bully Kuta, the dog must be prepared with the appearance of the baby.